Thank you for buying this 11134 A-frame menu board from Fixture Displays. This whiteboard is dry erase, as you can see, fairly easy to clean. And from time to time, you may want to use a bit of rubbing alcohol to do a thorough cleaning. You can also hire an artist to do a nice rendering, or just write your own messages. We now put it on a spinner. The spinner is not part of the purchase. This product comes pre-assembled. All you'll need to do is set it up and use. This is a great tool to advertise your business, provide directions, tell your customers specials. The application is endless and is definitely going to be a great investment that's going to pay back many folds. If you like this video, remember leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.